I guess I never really noticed it until we moved in together. He's great, but he really struggles building furniture. He just doesn't understand isometric drawings. How can we build a future when we can't even build an end table? I can't keep living like this. I feel that the only solution is to build him a mixed reality application using the Meta Presence Platform so that he can learn how to build using intuitive 3D instructions.
I guess we can use building blocks in the Meta All-in-One SDK to speed up development.
Are you sure this is the best way to address the situation?
You son of a bitch. I mean,
Things started getting better, but there was still room for improvement. First test was a success, and soon our apartment started to feel more like a home. We gotta make it easier to use with just one hand.
I've added hand gesture to make navigation easier.
There's still more we have to do.
Hey, now we can make instructions in the app ourselves.
I think I can make the UI even better and the interfaces. I can do that.
Guys, I still feel like something is missing.
What if we added an AI companion to encourage him?
Oh, I think we need to address this in virtual reality and not in mixed reality.
You know, I've had my ups and downs in relationships, and sometimes you just gotta sit down and talk it out.
Or maybe we needed voice control. Or maybe I need to lower my expectations. Maybe I'm too focused on things instead of intentions. I want to break up.
Why?
It isn't enough.
Baby, please don't go. I'm building the table right now.
It's been months, and you haven't even built it.
But I wouldn't have been able to without the swipe interface. It's like so intuitive. I know exactly where everything goes now.
Blah!
Look, the exploded view. It looks so cool.
Have you even tried the voice control? Yeah, like you can... The voice control?
Forward. Back.
Wow. The swiping, the hand